Hi there, I'm Cathy Evans from Preston Baker and we're here today at number 9 Woodhall Court, this beautiful 5-bedroom detached house in Colton that we're bringing to the market to launch. Let's go and have a look inside. So one of the fab things about this house is just the amount of space that we've got downstairs. We'll start by having a look in the living room. As you can see, this lovely living room, loads and loads of space for all the family to sit, and the fireplace over here is beautiful, as is the number of windows, letting in plenty of light. So as you can see, we're in this beautiful modern kitchen. It's built with all the mod cons. We've got the double oven, the microwave, the gas hob, and through here behind me is the utility room, perfect for the family. Okay, follow me through here to this fabulous dining room that opens up into the conservatory, giving yet more space and heaps of natural light. So I'm standing here in the dressing room of this fab master bedroom with heaps of storage, a dressing area, and then as you can see through here, beautiful ensuite bathroom. Formerly the master bedroom, this is one of the 4 double bedrooms that we have upstairs. One of my favourite things about this room is the bathroom that you come in here. So as you can see outside in this beautiful garden, it's so private. You've got the decked area and the lawned area, and just loads of privacy, perfect for the family, with the gate and the security with the gate leading out to the front. So we're located here in Colton. We're really close to the new Springs development. We've got brilliant access over to the M1, the A1, Crossgate Station, and all the amenities that Crossgates has got to offer, as well as Colton Village and the Sainsbury's. Really brilliant family home, and I urge you to come and have a look at the launch. Thank you.